safe with the Tweenies. Travelling by train. Hey, what do you call a train that eats toffees?
That doesn't make sense, Milo. Trains don't eat toffees.
Oh, that's a joke, Bella.
Go on then, Milo. What do you call a train that eats toffees?
A choo-choo train.
I don't get it.
Toffees, Jakey. A choo-choo... Oh, never mind.
Max is travelling by train today. He's taking Samuel and Laura to visit their auntie.
Hope he remembers to travel safely, Bella, like he taught us to do.
Listen, I've had a brilliant idea.
What's that, Milo?
Well, we've all been shown how to travel safely on a train, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's right. Max showed us a video.
Yeah, but does Max remember himself? Now, I know. We could play a game, seeing if Max knows all the same things as we do.
Oh, I like that idea.
Me too.
Cool! Rightly, Hoadley. Here we are then. We're on the station platform, waiting for the train. Oh, you okay, Samuel? Oh, and how about you, Laura? Oh, dearie me. Whatever's the matter? Oh, I see. You've forgotten Dolly. Oh, no, you can't run and fetch her. No, stay holding hands, Laura. We'll come and get her with you, all right?
That was right, Milo.
Yep, 1 point to Max. You must always hold hands on the platform. Oh, the train should be here any minute now. Oh, yes, here it comes. Oh, no, sorry, Samuel. No, I know you want to see the train coming, but you mustn't go near the edge of the platform. You see, the yellow line is there to stop us from getting too close to moving trains. So, you must always wait behind the line.
Another point to Max, Jakey.
That's right, Fizzy. When you're on the platform, you mustn't go near the hedge.
The edge, Jake.
That's what I said.
Now then, the train has arrived and we're all ready to get on board. But hang on a minute. Let the other passengers get off first. Right. And it's our turn now. Oh, but mind the gap between the train and the platform. I'll tell you what, I'll lift you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hop. Now you, Samuel. Right. 1, 2, 3, hop. And now my turn. Over we go. And I'll press the button to close the doors safely. Oh, did Max get that right too?
He did, Milo.
Oh, Max has done well so far, hasn't he?
Wonder if he'll remember the last bit.
What's that, Fizzy?
You know, about sitting still on the train.
Oh, isn't this nice, eh? Sitting on the train, looking out of the window at everything flashing by. Oh. Hey, where are you off to, Samuel? No, back you come, my lad. That's right. Now, you must never run up and down the corridor of a train. You see, trains sway about more than you think, and you could fall over and hurt yourself, or the other passengers. I tell you what, we could play a game. How about this one? I spy with my little eye.
Hooray! He's done it!
Yeah, well done, Max. You know everything we know about travelling safely on the train.
Yeah, he's been well trained.
It's fun to play with your friends every day. You want to make it last forever. But keep in your head what the Tweenies said. Then we'll all play safe together. Yes, we'll all play safe together.
Trains. We've got trains on our brains. Oh! Trains. Travel safely on the trains.
Hold hands on the platform, then you'll be fine.
And always stand back from the long yellow line.
And when you're in the carriage, promise you will.
Look out of the window and sit really still.
It's fun to play with your friends every day.